Hi, this is FCPX. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a perfect flip. So you go to the bottom left hand corner of the clip and click distort. And then do it like this. And go to your right hand side, distort corner, and make sure that the x-axis is at whatever resolution you are. Like the reason I'm putting 3840 is because I'm using 3840 4K resolution. And y-axis you have to make it 0 because you don't want it to be any more distorted. And then you can see that your video has already been flipped. I'm gonna show you another mirror technique. So first you press Option and drag the bottom clip upward. Then press V to unsee the bottom clip. Go to the upper clip and then clip crop. After that you go to crop and type in 1920, for example. Like my resolution is 3840, so divided by half is 1920. Go back to the bottom clip and adjust the position of the bottom clip. And then trim the bottom clip like this and delete the clip above and press Option and copy a new clip. After that, you do a flip on the clip above like just now and make sure your y-axis remains 0. After that, you see there is gonna be a black line, a thin black line in between these two clips. How to adjust is to just simply go to the bottom clip and adjust the second value and just drag it to the left a little bit, because drag it to the right, you'll see that the black line becomes even more obvious. And there you go. That's all for today and hope you guys enjoy this. Bye bye.